Three. And the members of the flower are arranged in a circular manner. What is the circular arrangement called? Whorls. How many whorls are there from outside to inside? Four. What are the four whorls? Calyx. And the last lecture we have done a little bit of calyx corolla. Right, Michelo? So the outermost whorl of the flower, Otherwise looking at you only, don't worry, is called as the calyx. And what are the individual members of the calyx called? Sepals. Okay? And how do you represent the calyx? It is represented as K. Huh? Now no writing, see here. Huh? If I've already told you the functions of the calyx. It protects the flower in a bud condition and it can help in photosynthesis. So one function is protection in which condition? Bud condition. So all of you are familiar with the rose का bud. रोज की कली हम लोग ने सब लोगों ने देखी है. उसके ऊपर वो ग्रीन कलर का क्या होता है? सेपल्स होता है. Then other function is it also helps in photosynthesis. Okay. Now these sepals, look at their types. In the first type, can I say all the sepals are united at the base?
Yes.
And here I'll say that the sepals are free at the base. Did you understand my language?
Yes.
क्या बोला मैंने? ऊपर वाले डायग्राम में सेपल्स नीचे एक दूसरे से यूनाइटेड है और नीचे वाले डायग्राम में एक दूसरे से फ्री है. So when they are united at the base, the condition is called gamosepalous. And when they are free at the base, the condition is called as polysepalous. So what are the two types of sepals? Gamosepalous, polysepalous. Gamosepalous मतलब they are united at the base. Polysepalous मतलब they are free at the base. And the gamosepalous condition is represented by K in bracket, and here it is K that is free. So what does the bracket indicate? Wait. The bracket indicates a concept called as cohesion. Okay? And cohesion in botany here means it is a fusion within a whorl. And if the fusion is within the sepals, then it is called as gamosepalous condition. ब्रैकेट का मतलब ये होता है कि वो जो मेंबर्स हैं वो आपस में एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. ओके, आपस में एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं ना, इसलिए क्या वर्ड आता है? कोहेजन. आप केमिस्ट्री में भी पढ़ते होंगे. कोहेजन इज द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन लाइक मॉलिक्यूल्स and adhesion is the force of attraction between unlike molecules. So these all are sepals. Do they belong to the same whorl or a different whorl? Same whorl. Last bench, don't try to complete the test over here right now. Pay attention to the lecture. All these sepals are united. Do they belong to the same whorl or a different whorl?
Same whorl.
So what do you call it? Cohesion? Yes. Which type of cohesion is it? Gamosepalous. कोहेजन का मतलब समझा यहाँ पे भी मॉर्फोलॉजी में? कोहेजन का मतलब क्या होता है? जब फ्यूजन है किसके बीच में? उसी वर्ल के अंदर, अलग अलग वर्ल नहीं, उसी वर्ल के अंदर, तो हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? कोहेजन. Clear? Give me yes or no?
Yes.
So if I write something like this, K4, and if I write something like this, K4, what is the difference between the two? K means sepals, calyx. 4 is कितने हैं? 4 sepals हैं. पॉली है कि गैमो है?
पॉली है.
और यहाँ पे क्या मतलब होगा? गैमो है, क्योंकि मैंने क्या डाल दिया वहाँ पे? ब्रैकेट्स डाल दिए. Did the class follow what I said just now?
Yes.
Then the next one is the corolla. And the individual members of the corolla are called as petals. That is represented as C. Okay? And what is the main function of these petals? These petals are colorful, so they attract the agencies for pollination. Okay? Sometimes they can become green in color and they can do photosynthesis. That time it is called as a sepaloid petal. क्या होता है उसको? जब एक पेटल ग्रीन हो जाता है और जब वो सेपल्स के फंक्शन करता है तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सेपलोइड पेटल. Once again, there are two conditions over here. One will be called as gamopetalous and the other will be called as the polypetalous condition. Okay? Also, दो condition है gamopetalous and polypetalous. Okay. Gamopetalous मतलब petals are fused. Poly मतलब the petals are free. And it will be shown as C in bracket. Here the C will be shown free. Clear everybody? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. The next is estivation. Okay. So you open up your NCERT text. Old textbook, page number 74. Okay. And the new one? 63. Now, so what is estivation? I have mentioned it as it is the arrangement of either the sepals or the petals in a flower. So let us take the example of petals. कि एक flower में petals कैसे arranged है एक दूसरे के हिसाब से. तो उस arrangement को हम क्या कहते हैं? Estivation. So what is estivation? It is the arrangement of petals or sepals in a flower. So look at the first diagram, and there they are mentioned as the valvate estivation. मिला सबको? You guys are on the wrong page. 64 पे. मिला? टॉप वाले डायग्राम दिखे सबको? कौन सा वाला दिया वहाँ पे? Valvate estivation. Okay. Now what is this valvate estivation? In the case of valvate estivation, you will see that the sepals or the petals, in this case I am talking about the petals, they come very close to each other. They can touch each other, but they will not overlap. समझा मैंने क्या बोला? कि ये जो petals है, एक दूसरे से एकदम नजदीक आता है, एक दूसरे को टच भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ओवरलैप नहीं करेंगे. ओवरलैप समझ में आया सबको? कि उनके जो मार्जिन्स है, वो दूसरे वाले के मार्जिन को ओवरलैप नहीं करेगा. तो उस कंडीशन को हम लोग कौन सा एस्टिवेशन बोलते हैं? Valvate estivation. Yes, Suhan, read the examples of valvate estivation.
Calotropis.
Calotropis
Yes.
and
China rose ladies. As shown, China rose, lady's finger, and cotton.
for valvate estivation, it will be Calotropis and two families you will remember. Solanaceae and Liliaceae family, क्योंकि वो आगे आगे वो family आने वाले होते हैं. Solanaceae and Liliaceae family. So give examples of valvate bachalo. A plant called Calotropis. And which family? Solanaceae and Liliaceae. Okay? So it can be found in two families, Solanaceae and Liliaceae. Even one more family, but is not there here. So remember valvate. एक तो example है Calotropis. दूसरी दो families कौन सी है? Solanaceae and Liliaceae. Look at the second one. What is the second estivation? Twisted estivation. Okay. Now look at the diagram and look at the petals. And with a pencil, number the petals as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ऊपर वाले डायग्राम in a clockwise manner. Clockwise समझ में आता है? कैसे भी randomly क्यों कर रहे हो? Clockwise manner में. तो सबसे टॉप पे रहेगा वो क्या रहेगा? 1. फिर 2, 3, 4, 5. किया सब लोगों ने? हाँ. Now if this is 1, okay, if this is 1, this is 2, and this is what? 5. Look at this arrangement. Can I say at one margin the petal is overlapped and at the other margin it is overlapping? I have used two words. One is overlap and overlapping. Did you understand the meaning of the two words?
Yes.
Overlapped मतलब वो किसी के ऊपर है कि कोई उसके ऊपर है? कौन है वो? सेकेंड वाला उसके ऊपर. बराबर है? ओवरलैपिंग मतलब उसका मार्जिन किसी के ऊपर है. तो ये वाला दिख रहा है मार्जिन कुछ लोग? हाँ. तो ये वाला जो है वो मार्जिन को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? सर ये ओवरलैप्ड है. और ये वाली मार्जिन कौन सी है सर? ये ओवरलैपिंग है. मिला बराबर से? Now see all the petals, they are arranged in the same manner. जरा देखो एक मिनट के लिए कैसे they are all arranged in the same manner. At one margin they are overlapping and at the other margin they are overlapped. So it is overlapping, overlap, overlapping, overlap, overlapping, overlap. Correct? Such an estivation is called as twisted estivation. Example would be cotton, ladyfinger, China rose. ट्विस्टेड के कितने एग्जांपल दो बच्चों? 3. कौन से? कॉटन, then ladyfinger and China rose. That is the Malvaceae family. China rose, which family bachcho? Malvaceae family. So did you understand both the estivations? Shaurya, what is valvate estivation in your words? Estivation को valvate कब बोलेंगे?
ओवरलैप और ओवरलैपिंग रहेगा.
शाबाश, कितना एग्जैक्टली उल्टा बताया इसने 1 मिनट के अंदर. यस संचिता?
Sir, when the petals have spaces between them and they are not overlapping.
Okay, they may touch, but they are not overlapping. Exactly उल्टा बताया तूने, एकदम परफेक्टली. बैठ जा. और ट्विस्टेड में क्या बोलेंगे? एक मार्जिन में ओवरलैपिंग कर रहा है, दूसरे मार्जिन पे क्या कर रहा है? ओवर. तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? ट्विस्टेड. ठीक है. थर्ड वन, वो जो थर्ड वन इम्ब्रिकेट. मिला इम्ब्रिकेट सबको? ओके. नाउ शिरीष will describe imbricate for us. Good morning, Shirish.
Sepals and petals overlap each other, but it is not in any particular direction.
पढ़ लिया तुमने? एकदम टेक्स्ट बुक का लैंग्वेज बोल रहा है भाई. हाँ? ये तो कोई विद्वान बॉटनिस्ट भी ना बोल पाया बचपन में. हाँ? बैठ जा. सिंपल मुझे इतना समझ में आ रहा है. द फर्स्ट वन कौन सा डायग्राम देख रहे हो? थर्ड डायग्राम, सी वाला, जिसको आपने लेवल 1 किया ना लेवल 1. उसके दोनों मार्जिन्स की तरफ देख के बोलो they are overlapped. So what should I call that petal? Innermost or outermost?
Innermost.
So right over there, innermost. लिखा? And then, do you see one petal who is overlapping at both the margins?
Yes.
Maybe you must have labeled it 3.
Yes.
Got it? So, क्या लिखेंगे उसको? Outermost. And the rest of the others, they are overlapping, overlap, overlapping, overlap, overlapping.
Overlap.
That estivation will be called as which estivation? Imbricate estivation. Okay? So we say that they are not overlapping in a particular direction. See the examples over there? How many examples are there? दो. कौन से? Cassian, Gulmohar. Okay? So they are not following a particular direction. जैसे पहले वाले में कैसा था, एक ओवरलैपिंग था, दूसरा ओवरलैप था, एक ओवरलैपिंग, ऐसा नहीं फॉलो करना। एक खाना पेटल कैसा है? ओवरलैप्ड है, दूसरा ओवरलैपिंग है, इनर है, आउटर मोस्ट, उसको बोलते हैं इम्ब्रिकेट। उसमें भी टाइप्स है, डिसेंडिंग, असेंडिंग, वो नहीं हमको, हम सिर्फ सिंपल वाला ध्यान में रखेंगे। कौन सा? इम्ब्रिकेट में। और दो एग्जांपल्स कौन से बच्चों? केसिया एंड गुलमोहर। ओके, and the fourth one which is going to come in your life again and again, which is it बच्चों लोग? Maxillary, in which one of the petal is very large, okay, and that large one is called as vexillum or standard। क्या बोलते उसको? Vexillum या फिर standard, and it is overlapping the two on the sides, which are called as wings or alae। Okay, so एक बहुत बड़ा है, posterior most बहुत ही बड़ा है, वो किसको ओवरलैप कर रहा है? दो साइड्स वाली को, जिसको हम लोग ने बोला है wings, and the anterior most are too small, boat shaped and fused. These are called keel or carina। क्या बोलते उसको? कील और कैरिना। क्या बोलते उसको? कील और कैरिना। It's a characteristic feature of pea, that is your family Fabaceae या Leguminosae family। Okay? Yes or no? So एक है स्टैंडर्ड, साइड में कौन है? दो विंग्स, और लास्ट में क्या है? कील और कैरिना। Jay, come here, dear, come fast. I want to do something for me. Fast, fast. Run, run like a footballer, okay? Right there, it's this. How I write over there? The formula. If you do it correctly, you'll get a gift from me. हाँ, petals के लिए, petals की तो बात हो रही है।
For every petal.
How will you write it? Just try to guess. Out of the blue था, it's okay, don't say. अरे ऐसे लिखना था, जैसे ये देख, ये K है, इसको क्या लिखेगा तू? 4, है ना? जिसमें सबके से फ्री है, इसमें तू कैसा लिखेगा? नहीं, बैठ के नहीं हुआ है, कोई बात नहीं। किसको क्लिक हुआ है? पीछे देखा रहेगा, अरे थोड़ा सा दिखा, देखो तू तो याद रहेगा। नहीं याद है, चल देखते एक बार है। यार बहुत खारी मटर खा के आया सुबह सुबह। हाँ, नींद आ रही है तेरे को? हाँ, C4, C5, C7 लिखना, मेरा भी फेवरेट है वो। Right cell, wrong. I wish I had half the discipline of him in my life. Huh? No, wrong. Wait. Cynthia also wants a chance. So let me give a chance to myself. It will be C1. Oh? Very good. Wrong, but okay. How will you write it? C1 plus 2 plus 2. One is free, which is the posterior most one. Then you got 2, which are the wings. Those are also free. And the last two are fused. So I put them into what? Bracket. Did you get my point? Yes or no? Such a estivation is called which estivation? Vexillary estivation. And it's a characteristic feature of which family, guys? Fabaceae. Which family?
Fabaceae.
1 plus 2 plus 2. Totally how many members are there? 5. One of them is the posterior most one, which is called as the vexillum or standard, which is overlapping the two side curvings which are also free. And the last two small boat shaped keel or carina are fused. So it will be 1 plus 2 plus 2. Any problem in your life, Muchalo? Did you understand my point? So what do you mean by estivation? It is the arrangement of sepals or the petals in a flower. If the petals come very close but they don't overlap, it is called valvate. If they overlap in a particular manner, overlapping, overlap, overlapping, overlap, this way. Not in a particular fashion where one is outermost, other is imbricate. And if they have a standard wing and keel, it is which estivation? Vexillary estivation. Examples of valvate are Calotropis, family Solanaceae, and Liliaceae. Here it is cotton, ladyfinger, China rose belonging to Malvaceae. Imbricate bed is Cassia and Gulmohar, and in vexillary there is P, family Fabaceae. Take it down fast, then we'll do the essential words, Androshima and Gynoshima. Before that, one second, sorry. Okay. Now, in some flowers, the calyx and the corolla, they get fused. Who gets fused? कैलिक्स और करोला एक साथ हो जाता है, मतलब उसमें फिर अभी आप कैलिक्स और करोला में डिफरेंस नहीं कर पाओ. Such a whorl, which is formed by the fusion of calyx and corolla, is called as perianth. What do you call it?
Perianth.
Perianth. So what is perianth? Calyx and corolla are fused. Okay. So what do you call the individual members of perianth? Do you call them sepal or do you call them petal? They are called tepal. What do you call them?
Tepals.
Tepals. Sepals, petals, tepals. Sepal is sepal. Petal is corolla. And tepal is individual member of perianth. And what is the perianth? It is a fusion of is called as perianth. उसके individual members को हम लोग बोलते हैं tepals. Clear everyone?
Yes.
And in the floral symbols, P is given for perianth. क्या देते उसको? P देते. Clear everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we can carry it. Write it down fast. So I'll just mute करो उसको.